The new TFT factory complex covers 8 rai, approximately 3.2 acres. All buildings are of a modular design with space for expansion. Building 1. Cellular fracture line technology / premium freeze-dry factory. This building, with 1,008 square meter footprint, is raised 1.5 meters above ground level to allow all water, electric and CO2 lines to be accessible under the building. This will house our present 600 litre CFL machine and 3 much larger machines, each with 2,400 litre capacity. Building 2. Extraction facility. This building, with 720 square metre footprint, raised 1.5 metres above ground for easy access to all water, electric and other utility lines. Since extraction is a pharmaceutical process for high volume commercial ethanol extraction, this will be constructed to meet medicinal standards. Building 3. Staff building. 144 square meters. Lunchroom, showers, toilets and employee lounge. Also raised for easy access to water and sewage lines. Location 4. 30,000 kilogram capacity food grade liquid CO2 tank. Quick freezing agent. Building 5. Warehouse. 144 square meter air conditioned warehouse. Building 6. 108 square meter sprouting facility with computer programmed sprouting machines to control water, airflow, temperature, light frequency and motion for perfect sprouts with no contamination. Location 7. Deep well, 165 meters with water storage tanks. Location, based in Lampun, 30 minutes away from the airport and off the main road directly to Bangkok.